before that, here's our award-winning initiative, Axe the Tax, where we are taking a look at the 5 taxes you want removed.
Now, taxpayers, most of them, including us, feel it is time the Finance Minister hikes the tax exemption limit on conveyance allowance. Given that we've seen yet another fuel hike, and our ISAC is reporting on that, and we'll be back with the other headlines. Do stay with us.
Anuradha Nair, a 27-year-old social media manager, navigates through Chennai's peak hour traffic every day to get to work. Living 5 kilometers from her office, Anuradha spends at least 3,000 rupees a month on fuel bills alone.
Well, a while it used to be about easily between 5 to 6,000 because my office was at a considerable distance from my home, and no matter what combination of transport I used, mostly it would be by car. So the fuel prices and overall, we even chose a diesel car, but overall the servicing, everything put together would easily be about 6,000 per month. We thought it would be easier to move closer, and as of now, staying about 4 to 5 kilometers away from the office, it still is up to 2,500 to 3,000 easily. And that's something which may not be possible for a lot of people because your offices are either in the heart of the city or you have factories really far off, and if you're driving, it's very difficult to save anything after your fuel expenses and things like that. Yeah.
Anuradha can claim tax exemption on conveyance up to a maximum of 800 rupees a month. This limit was fixed in 1998 when petrol prices were under 24 rupees a litre and diesel 10 rupees a litre. Petrol prices have shot up over 220% since then, diesel over 500%. Given the rapid rise in fuel prices and the likelihood of it rising further, the exemption limit needs to be more realistic.
Dear Finance Minister, I have one appeal to make. Considering that the fuel prices are going to keep rising and we do need to save also after whatever money is spent in transportation to work daily, we request you to raise the conveyance allowance to at least 3,000 rupees. The current amount of 800 is nowhere close to what we spend on a monthly basis, and raising it to 3,000 would help us to save and maybe invest in something that helps us build our future.